In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Trello with the Rewind Backups power-up. Managing projects with Trello is an efficient way to keep your tasks organized, but ensuring that your data is safely backed up can give you peace of mind. Whether you're dealing with a team board or personal projects, keeping a backup is crucial. So without further ado, let's dive into how you can use Rewind Backups to secure your Trello data. First, head over to your Trello board. Once you've opened your board, locate and click on the Power Ups tab. The Power Ups feature is an essential part of Trello, allowing you to add extra functionality to your boards. Whether you need calendar integration, automations, or in this case backups, Power Ups extend what Trello can do. Next, you'll want to click on Add Power Ups. Doing so will open the Trello Power Up directory, a vibrant marketplace bustling with tools and integrations that can be added to your Trello board. In the search bar, type in Rewind and hit enter to search. You're searching for the Rewind Backups power-up because it's a trusted tool for preserving your Trello data by creating automatic backups. You should see Backups for Trello appear in the search results. Click Add to integrate it into your board. Adding this power-up begins the process of safeguarding your board by enabling the backup capability specifically built for Trello. Once you've added Rewind Backups, another prompt may appear, inviting you to enable the power-up. Click Add once more to confirm you want to activate it. This is a confirmation step, ensuring you deliberately integrate this functionality into your board. With the power-up now enabled, navigate to Go to Rewind Backups. This link will redirect you to the Rewind Backups interface where you'll establish your backup preferences. An important step here involves clicking on Select All if you wish to back up every board associated with your account. Otherwise, you can individually select specific boards if you prefer a customized backup approach. Additionally, if you want any new boards you create to be automatically backed up alongside your existing ones, you'll find an option to enable this feature. Simply click Automatically Backup New Boards to streamline your backup process. With these settings configured, click Next to proceed. As you advance, you'll need to enter your payment details to start your free trial with Rewind Backups. Even though entering payment information might seem daunting, remember that the initial trial period allows you to assess how well this service meets your backup needs before any charges are incurred. And there you have it, you've successfully set up Rewind Backups on your Trello board. Now your data will be safely stored and you can breathe easy knowing your valuable project information is secure. Thanks for joining me, and remember to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.